Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best drones with HD camera. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the UDI U818A HD Drone with camera. This is a dependable and handy headless mode drone with a 6-axis gyro stability, on the way to assure you of notable balance and maneuverability. It has the pleasant drone digital camera as a way to allow you to seize excessive res videos and photos that you will always love. To ensure which you experience an extended flight time, it comes with a high nice and extra durable battery with a purpose to serve you better. The 2MP Digicom also has a 4GB microSD tool let you keep all your motion pictures and pictures competently. You can now get the camera online through making your order now, and you may love it. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Holystone HS170 Predator RC drone. Whenever you want to locate the first-class drone Digicom with a view to assure you of top-notch provider and reliability, then this is the final desire. The drone employs the 2.4 GHz generation for the fine anti-inferences. The drone gives you up to among 6-8 minutes of flight time. For this reason you'll always get the possibility to seize the nice pictures and movies. For your protection, it has a protracted manipulate variety of about 30-50 meters. Besides this, the high-definition Digicom will allow you to see some of the first-class photos ever. At number 3, we have the Wi-Fi FPV version U818A drone with 720p HD camera. A superb flight time constantly desires you to have an excessive fine and powerful HD camera much like this one. The 720p HD camera will usually capture pristine HD aerial photographs and pictures. It is also a pleasant camera that you may constantly adjust the settings to seize all of the memorable moments you are on the flight. Besides this, you'll constantly get the risk to share the pictures with friends and family. At number 2, we have the UDI U845 Wi-Fi FPV drone with HD camera. This is some other high-quality drone with the best drone digital camera to give you the great time ever whilst at the flight. It is because the HD digital camera will never leave out any single second you're out to capture motion pictures and images. With approximately 6-9 minutes of flight time, you may always revel in capturing brilliant photographs and exceptional films. Since the Digicom is Wi-Fi enabled, you'll get the risk to proportion with family and pals. The 6-axis gyro drone can move in unique directions giving you the risk to capture extra beautiful images. And finally at number 1, we have the Syma X5 SWV3 FPV Quadcopter drone UFO with HD Wi-Fi camera. Are you searching forward to taking pictures a number of the nice movies and cameras? You can now revel in exceptional time on this extremely good quadcopter drone because it comes with an HD camera and Wi-Fi. This is very consumer pleasant to allow you to capture both films and photos whilst flying. It additionally comes with a gimbal to allow you to place the camera better for greater reliable and handy taking pictures. Enjoy. This is one of the quality drone cameras you want to try out. Despite being the pleasant drone digital camera, it is notably cheap and lower priced. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this drones with HD camera, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.